Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Lemar Jamison. In today's video, I wanted to show you how you can create your own digital piggy bank with an app called Acorns. Now, I've been a member with Acorns since 2019 and my account just been growing. Not only growing, it's been compounding. That means the free money I've been receiving is also making money. So I thought this was a form of building wealth, and that's why I wanted to share this with you today. If you are already familiar with Acorns, please comment below. Let me know how you are enjoying the app. Now you might be wondering, what is a digital piggy bank and how it works? They have a setting called roundups. And how that works is that, let's say you bought a pack of gum with your credit card, and that gum costs 50 cents, right? Now, I know a pack of gum don't cost 50 cents anymore. Probably costs $3 or close to $5 now for a pack of gum. I remember buying a pack of Winter Fresh for only 25 cents. Okay, so I'm just using an example. So I don't want none of y'all like, oh, there's no gum costs 50 cents. I'm just using an example. So let's say you bought a pack of gum for 50 cents, right? They'll round that purchase up to $1. They'll take that 50 cents, they round it up, they'll put it inside of a pool. Now you got 50 cents inside of your pool. Let's say you go buy a bag of chips for 50 cents. They're gonna round that up to $1, and then they're gonna take that 50 cents and put it inside the pool. So now you have $1 inside your pool. So once that pool builds up to $5, every time you complete a transaction, when that pool builds up to $5, they will withdraw that $5 from your account, and then they go buy shares from big corporations that's performing well. And this is all working in the back end. All you gotta do is set your portfolio up to how you want it. You know what I mean? If you want to be conservative where you don't want to lose money when the market's down, you can set it up like that. Or if you want to be extremely aggressive where if the market's up, you're going to get paid a lot more percentage back and you're going to take a lot of risks. Now, as long as you have a debit card or a credit card, you can even have both. Or you can even have multiple cards linked to your Acorns account. As long as the bank institutions, your credit card, debit card companies are compatible with Acorns. Let's say you got multiple cards linked. As long as you're making purchases on those cards that's linked to your Acorns account, that's how you're going to be able to build your digital piggy bank up, because you're using those cards. They're rounding up to $1. Once it builds up to $5 in that pool, they're going to withdraw that $5 from your primary checking account, and they're going to go ahead and buy shares with those with that $5. That's how you create your digital piggy bank. Now you may have the understanding on what is Acorns and how it works. So let's jump in my account so I can show you around. All right, so now we're inside my account, and as you see, you can do a lot more with Acorns. You can open up a checking account. You can also get the debit card with that checking account. Right here where it says invest for your future, this is your digital piggy bank. We're gonna get to that in a minute. Right here, later starts today. This is your, you can put money away for your retirement in a Roth account. You can contribute up to $6,000 in a year. And over here where it says early for kids, this is my daughter's account, to where I got her piggy bank going, which I contribute money to this account on a weekly basis, so her piggy bank could grow over time and compound. All right, so let's go ahead and go inside my piggy bank. As you see, it says here your invest account value is $396.29. This is all spare change that's been rounding up over time. Okay, it's a little bit more than that. Is that the market's down right now, but that's fine though, because this is money that I don't even count towards my expenses or my income. This is just money that's growing in the back. So that's why I got mine set at the highest risk, and I want the highest return on it. So this is money that I'm not even worrying about. As long as it's growing over time, I'm fine with that. Right here where it says roundup settings, as you see, I got mine on automatic, and it actually explains how it works too here in this setting. I think what I forgot to mention is the multiplier. With the multiplier, it's like they're already taking $5 every time you round up. So let's say you put a multiplier on it. You might put you might put a 2 times multiplier on it, where instead of taking 5, they'll times it by 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. So they'll take $10 every time you round up, such as right here, 3x. they'll take $15 every time you round up. If you set it as 10x, they'll take all the way up to $50 every time you round up. So you can also put those multipliers on there also. So they give you that option there if you want to invest faster. And there's other settings here where you can check out too here. You can also set up a recurring investment where you can contribute money on a everyday basis, or you can contribute money every week basis. Like you want to contribute $5 all up to $100 every week, every month. You got the option to choose on the first, second, third, or whatever you choose to do, or even every day if you want to do $100 a day. So you do have the option where they would take money out of your account, your primary account, every single day, the amount that you choose to go ahead in your investment. Personally, I don't use that. This is my portfolio. It's set as aggressive. My money is in 95% stocks and 5% in crypto. My risk I'm taking is aggressive. So I don't want to get into too much details with this. When you set your account up, then you can also be able to go in details with that. What else? And it shows you the graph of how your money's performing and stuff like that. And right here, it shows you the recent activity to the dividends you're getting paid and all the roundups. I just got paid June 15th. I got $1.75 from international company. Money's in. I got 6 cents from small corporation companies, from small company stocks. And I got 12 cents from medium company stocks. So I got paid. It just shows you your investments and stuff like that. Like roundups there, Burger King, and like it just shows you these are your roundups. So what I want to do is I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is just what it looks like and how they round up. So that way you could be able to see how they do it. So right here with AutoZone, $2.11, they took 89 cents. CVS, the purchase came out to, what was that? Was that $4.05? They rounded up to 95 cents. This is how the roundups work. April 9th is actually my daughter's birthday. Up here, as you see, I got my total invested is $451.44. It's just that the market's down now, and once the market go back up, and then yeah. All right, so now we're back on the home page, and there's a section that I really want to touch on. As you see here, I had earned $30.35 back and invested into my piggy bank while shopping through Acorns to the brand itself. If I click on Nike, if I shop through Nike through Acorns, I'm going to get 3% back invested into my piggy bank. I call that a digital credit card, getting 3% back on your money. That's like getting cash back. In order to qualify, you have to read the details and exclusions. Step one is basically you got to hit the shop now button, okay? Which is right here. You got to hit the shop now button. When you hit the shop now button, you got to complete that transaction in one session. Meaning you cannot go inside there. You cannot go inside Nike and say, you know what, I don't want nothing, and go back out and then trying to go back through Acorns again and hit the shop now button. You maybe won't qualify for the 3% back. So try to complete the transaction in one session. After you complete all that, then your 3% will be invested into your piggy bank. But before you even hit the shop now button or anything, you want to make sure you click on exclusions, because you want to know what's eligible and what's not eligible. So as you see here, it says not eligible on purchases on the Nike Air TR, V.Cruise, PRM, any flash sale items, any Air Jordan model shoes, any Adapt model shoes, or Harley wetsuits. Not eligible on purchases or redemptions of gift cards. Not eligible on purchases outside of the United States. Not eligible on purchases using military, student, first responder, or birthday discount codes. Use with other promotion discounts and or coupons may disqualify you. Make sure you are reading the exclusions also before you even purchase, because you don't want to say, well, I purchased a pair of Air Jordans and I didn't get my 3% back. Well, if you would have read the exclusions, you would be able to see that the Air Jordans doesn't qualify. I also recommend reading the terms and the conditions too. All right, so let's go back to the home screen. We already touched on earn money. You can also get the Acorns Chrome extension. Basically, when you're about to shop online, Acorns will come up and let you know, like, hey, go through us, get your 5% back or your 3% back. Let me show you how that works here. I'll show you how it works. So let's click on here. We're gonna go to Google and let's type in Best Buy. No, let's type in Sam's Club. All right, we're gonna type in Sam's Club. Let's click on Sam's Club here. All right, so as you see, before I shop, Acorns come up, the extension comes up. Another thing I like about Acorns is that they always have promotions. If you see where it says share the wealth and below that says earn 3 months of Grubhub by referring a friend to join Acorns, plus they will invest $1,000 into your invest account, which is your piggy bank, when you invite 4 friends and they invest. So basically, if you're enjoying this app, refer a friend or a family member, so that way they could start really building wealth too. They could have their own personal piggy bank, so that way their piggy bank could grow over time and compound. All you gotta do is just share it on your Facebook. If you got Twitter, share it on your Twitter. You can email somebody, or you can even create a link to put in your YouTube channel. I recommend you take advantage of this because it's all free money, okay? Especially if you like to order out a lot, you're gonna get 3 months free of Grubhub, and 3 months free. If you're thinking about wanting to get started today and create your digital piggy bank, all you gotta do is go to www.acorns.com, or you could go to your Play Store and download the Acorns app. Or if you got an iPhone, you could go to Safari and download the Acorns app. If you really want to super support the channel, which you already supporting the channel, which I really appreciated by watching this video, I also left a link in the description below, and you could go through that link, and that would be really supportive. Once you get to the Acorns app, you're gonna have 2 plans. You got the personal plan and you got the family plan. The personal plan is $3 and the family plan is $5. If you're looking to invest for yourself, I recommend going with the $3 plan. So that way you're not spending extra money. Or if you're investing for yourself and someone else, I recommend going with the $5 plan. That's what I have personally, because not only I'm investing for myself, I'm investing for my daughter too. I'm building her piggy bank while she's at a young age, so that way her money could grow over time and compound. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Hopefully this video brought you some value. Comment below, let me know if you had created your digital piggy bank. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, so that way they could be able to create their digital piggy bank. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that like button. And y'all guys have a great day. Check y'all next video.